Hello everyone! Trevor the tractor's going to be visiting the garage today. He works down at Number Farm, helping Farmer George with lots of important jobs. Oh Trevor, you do look a mess. I'm glad you came to see us so that we can fix all of your problems. Go, go, mechanicals! You really work hard on the farm, don't you, Trevor? But you do need to look after yourself properly. Your plough is all bent out of shape. How did it get like that? In the spring, Trevor ploughs the farmer's fields to get the soil ready for planting. He pulls a big plough behind him. It looks like hard work. Oh dear, those large rocks have really bashed up the plough. Then Trevor helps to sow the seeds. He pulls another machine that throws the seeds out onto the ploughed soil. Now that the mechanicals have repaired the plough, they need to take a look at your poor trailer. How did that get so broken? In the summer, Trevor spreads fertilizer on the crops to help them grow big and strong. Trevor also helps to harvest the farmer's delicious red apples from the orchard. That trailer looks very heavy and full. I think there's too many apples in there. So that's how the trailer got broken. There, your trailer's as good as new. Now, what about this giant scratch on your paintwork? What happened there? In the autumn, when the crops are ready to be harvested, Trevor uses his harvesting attachment to chop and gather all of the lovely golden wheat, ready to be made into breakfast cereal and flour. Oh no, this tree has fallen over in an autumn storm. Trevor the tractor's so strong that he can drag the tree out of the road so that everyone can get to where they need to go. Look out for that branch. Oh no, it's scratched his lovely red paintwork. A quick respray and your paintwork's as good as new. Now, why does your engine sound so grumpy? In the winter, Trevor has to drive through the snow to take bales of hay to feed the horses. Trevor also goes out onto the country lanes to help cars in the snow. Poor Sophie is stuck in a snowdrift. Trevor clears the heavy snow from the road with his snowplow and then pulls Sophie up the hill. No wonder his engine sounds poorly after all that heavy work. There, the mechanicals have fixed up your engine, resprayed your paintwork, repaired your broken trailer, and pulled your plough back into shape. After all those seasons, you just needed a bit of maintenance. But now you're as good as new, and ready for spring, summer, autumn, and winter on the farm all over again. See you again soon, Trevor. I'm glad we could help Trevor with all his problems. He should come and see us more often. Thanks for visiting us today. Bye!
Down, down at the hen house, listen to the squeaking field mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. Oh, what a cozy little den for a lucky clucky chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. Can you hear the sounds of the big country farm? There's a squeak over here and a moo over there. A cluck in the hen house and a quack on the pond. Won't you listen to the sounds? There's noises everywhere. everywhere. What a lovely sty, so big for a very muddy pinky pig. Oink, 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 oink. Trotting through the meadow so fast, Horsey yells as he gallops past. Neigh, 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 neigh. Can you hear the sounds of the big country farm? There's an oink over here and a neigh over there. A cluck in the hen house and a quack on the pond. Won't you listen to the sounds? There's noises everywhere. Barking and running to the sheep. Doggy wakes them from their sleep. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. They run together as a team and leave poor Doggy in the stream. Ba, 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 ba. Can you hear the sounds of the big country farm? There's a woof over here and a ba over there. A cluck in the hen house and a quack on the pond. Won't you listen to the sounds? There's noises everywhere. What's that noise from the cowshed? They're all hungry, time to be fed. Moo, 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 moo. The cows are waiting for a treat. The tractor brings them food to eat. Brum, 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 brum. Can you hear the sounds of the big country farm? There's a moo over here and a brum over there. A cluck in the hen house and a quack on the pond. Won't you listen to the sounds? There's noises everywhere. There's one more sound for us to hear. The goats on the hill so loud and clear. Bleat, 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 bleat. And how could we forget about you? It wouldn't be a farm without a cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Can you hear the sounds of the big country farm? There's a bleat over here and a crow over there. A cluck in the hen house and a quack on the pond. Won't you listen to the sounds? There's noises everywhere.
Welcome to Number Farm. Shall we wake up the animals? Wakey, wakey, animals. Hello, Clucky Chicken. One chicken. Hello, woolly sheep. One, two. Two sheep. Hello, hopping rabbit. One, two, three. Three rabbits. Hello, pink pig. One, two, three, four. Four pigs. Hello there, clever sheepdog. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sheepdogs. Hello, red tractor. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tractors. Hello, quacking duck. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ducks. Hello, smiley goat. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 goats. Hello, lovely brown horse. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 horses. Hello, Moo Moo cow. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cows.
Look, there's 2 mice chasing each other. Hello, tiny mouse. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 mice. Hello, plump turkey. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 turkeys. Hello, shiny fish. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fish. Hello, strong deer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 dear. Hello, sleepy cat. You're the orange cat, aren't you? Did you know that this orange cat is hiding somewhere in every single Toddler Fun Learning video? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cats. Hello, Speedy Ostrich. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 ostriches. Oh look, I think these eggs are about to hatch. Hello, cute chick. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 chicks. Hello, fluffy alpaca. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 alpacas. Hello, hungry donkey. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 donkeys. Hello, noisy goose. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 geese. Farms are very busy places. Shall we have a look at what happens during the whole week at Number Farm? Today is Monday, and it's time for Farmer George to milk the cows. He has brought the cows into the milking parlour and connected his milking machines to the cows' udders. The udders are where the milk comes from, and all of the milk from the cows gets collected and bottled, ready to be put on your breakfast cereal. It's Tuesday today, and it's time to collect the eggs from the hen house. Shall we count how many eggs the hens have laid in their nests? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how shall we cook them? Boiled, scrambled, fried, or poached? What's your favourite way to eat eggs? On Wednesday, Farmer George is out driving his combine harvester. A combine harvester is a machine that harvests the crops that grow in the fields. In this field, Farmer George has been growing wheat, which will then be used to make things like bread. Today is Thursday, and Sammy the sheepdog is training for his sheepdog trials. That means he has to round up all of the sheep into the pen as quickly as possible. Ready, steady, go! Come on, Sammy, you can do it! Yay! Sammy rounded up all the sheep in just 12 seconds. Friday is a very rainy day, but the ducks don't mind. Oh look! Mummy Duck has given birth to some beautiful ducklings. Let's feed them some bread. It's Saturday today, and that means it's the weekend. But work doesn't stop on the farm. It's a very hot day, so it's time to give the sheep a haircut. Every few months, a sheep's coat will get too long, so the farmer will shear the sheep's coat with some clippers. This is called sheep shearing and stops the sheep getting too hot in summer. The wool from the sheep's coat is used to make lovely woolly jumpers that keep us warm in the winter. It's Sunday, the last day of the week, so it's time for some fun. Whoopee! Farmer George likes to ride his horses on Sundays. And Harry the horse loves galloping as quickly as he possibly can. Wow, look at him go! Hold on tight, Farmer George. You don't want to fall off. Can you remember the days of the week? On Monday, Farmer George milked his cows. On Tuesday, we collected the eggs from the hen house. On Wednesday, Farmer George was harvesting wheat from the field.
And on Thursday, Sammy the sheepdog rounded up all of the sheep. Friday was a rainy day and we fed the ducks. Saturday was a very hot day, so it was sheep shearing day. And on Sunday, Farmer George went riding on Harry the horse. The animals are playing hide and seek down at Number Farm today. What's that? Behind the hay bales, a swishy tail. Small horns and a sound that goes moo. It's a cow. Yuck! Who loves rolling in squishy, slimy mud? This animal does. All we can see is a pink, curly tail. Look! The mud is sliding off. Oh, hello! It's a pink pig. There's something under the water in the pond. Look! There! Swimming behind that weed. It's shiny, scaly, and has a fin. It's a fish. I can see a nose. Look, it's twitching. And there's two big, pointy, fluffy ears. Come on out of your hole. It's a rabbit. Oh, hello, rabbit. There's something pecking at that grain. Peck, 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 peck. And what noise is it making? Cluck, 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 cluck. It's a chicken. This animal has beautiful brown fur and very strong antlers on its head. What sort of animal do they belong to, I wonder? It's a deer. This animal is very fluffy with lovely warm wool. It's not a sheep. No, no. It has a longer neck than that. Do you know? It's an alpaca. What's this animal trotting so quickly? Wow! Farmer George is even riding on its back. Can you see its furry mane? It's a horse. Is that a snake behind the bush? No, it can't be. Snakes are scaly, not furry. And listen, can you hear that purring sound? Oh, it's the orange cat. We're under the water again. There's something floating above us on the surface of the water. Look at its webbed feet paddling away. Let's go up and take a look. It's a duck.
Those cheeky farm animals are playing hide and seek again today. What's this coming over the hill? Pointy, curly horns and a loud
bleating sound. It's a goat! Someone is very hungry today, eating lots and lots and lots of yummy hay. There's a long, fluffy mane, but I don't think it's a horse. Oh, it's a donkey! Is that a tail? What? Is there smoke coming out of that tail? That's strange. It can't be a tail. And wheels? No animal I know has wheels. It's not an animal at all. It's a tractor. There's a face above that hedge, running back and forth. It's got a beak, so must be some sort of bird. Wow, what a long neck! Come on out. It's an ostrich. Hello, little face. Are you hiding behind that fence? What lovely woolly fur you have. And listen, can you hear that? Ba, ba, ba. It's a sheep. There's no animal here, surely. This is just the washing hanging up on the line. Listen, can you hear that? And is that a beak behind the sheet? And are they feet? Yes, look, orange webbed feet. It's a goose. The sheep are being chased. But what's that chasing them? 4 legs, a long bushy tail, a loud bark, and he's very good at rounding up the sheep. It's a sheepdog. Look, there's a worm popping out of the ground. Look out for birds, Mr. Worm. Hold on, that's no worm. It's a tail. There's 2 pointy teeth and long tickly whiskers. It's a mouse. What fun we've had playing hide and seek today. We'll see you again soon down at Number Farm. Bye! Subscribe to our channel for more great videos.